Hello, this is Andrew Blake, and I'm here to teach you some of the tools and features that are on the MacBook Air. So I'm going to start with probably the easiest thing, which is called Launchpad. So in a typical Windows computer, all of your applications can be accessed from the Start button, but on a Macintosh, there is no Start button. So to reach your applications, on the bottom bar where it says Launchpad, you click that, and here you can view all of your applications that are on your computer. The next application I'm going to talk about is the Maps app. So I'm going to click on this, and here you can see our college. And this is a pretty easy app. It's just like the map app that you'd have on your phone. And you can just simply type in anything you'd like. And there you go. You can view the location. Another cool thing about this app is that in certain cities, it has 3D maps. So for a city like Miami, Florida, if you zoom in, and press the 3D right there, you're able to view your city in 3D. This is really cool. So you can see the depth and the height of these buildings in downtown Miami, Florida. So next I'm going to talk about Safari. So Safari is pretty much Apple's version of Internet Explorer. It's a very simple search engine, very easy to use, just like any other one. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you one of the cool tricks about a Mac. So there's this thing called spaces or desktops. So pretty much you're on a Macintosh computer, you're able to utilize multiple desktops at the same time. So by sliding up with 3 fingers on your trackpad, you can see all of the desktops that I have, and I distinguish them with different wallpapers. So you can easily slide from one desktop to the next. And the purpose of this is if you want to have multiple windows open at the same time, you can have them open on various desktops. So for example, let's say that you want to search something, and then you want to look up something in Maps. Instead of minimizing this and opening the next application, you can easily just slide to the right to get to your next application. This is easy for multitasking because you can have multiple things open at the same time. Now the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is something called voice dictation. Now this is a very nifty feature because whenever you're typing, let's say that there's a word that you don't know how to pronounce, by double tapping the function key, you can just say the word and it'll type it for you. So for example, MacBook Air, Launchpad. And as you see there, it types it for you. So for big words that you may not necessarily be able to pronounce, you can just say the word and it'll pronounce it for you. And you can even talk in full sentences. This is a test sentence for a video representation. And as you see, it types as you say the words. Very cool feature. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is Spotlight Search. So by clicking Command Space, and there's multiple ways you can program it any way you want on how to bring up Spotlight Search. But pretty much you can type in anything you want, and for documents that's on your computer, you can search it. So for example, I have a paper on here called Civil Rights. So as I begin to type it, Civil Rights Era Paper 2 comes up. And just like that, I can view my paper. Let's say that you wanted to do a math calculation. So for example, 38 times 7 cubed. As you see, the answer will be 13,034. So instead of searching through your computer for the calculator, you can just type it in directly here. This also works for web searches as well. So if you want to type in a specific topic, you can type it in the Spotlight search and it'll search the web for you. So let's search Homer Simpson. As you see right there, you see the fictional character from The Simpsons in a Wikipedia article. And if you have music on your computer, you can also search music. Searching a song, and the song will begin to play.
Okay, I got a question. Am I loud out there?
I'm going to pause that for now. And these are pretty much the basic features that are included in a MacBook Air. Thank you for watching.